Barber picks it up. South Tigers is collapsing in the coverage now against this top line. Right point, Carrick. Near circle, Gomez. Carrick scores! Pumps it right back to the net. Gibson wasn't ready for it. Connor Carrick, the All-Star. 1-0 Hershey. Churchman, D-to-D for Mayfield. His shot off the mark with a screen set up. Churchman picking it up near circle, carries toward the goal line, walks in, let it go, and tried to bank it in. He scores. He let it go off of Peters' blocker, and Sill all over him. Oh, the Bears got a good jump in their step here now as this one out the center. Kearns trying to get. So here comes Markuson. He's a right-handed shot. He has it on the backhand, comes in on Peters and scores. And Bridgeport leads 2-1. Now Gomez. The Bears get it set up. Verana's on the goal line. Gomez hitting Verana. Back across it goes. A shot off the mark. Rebound. Score! Great job, Verana! Pretty passing play. A shot was missed. Verana slams. Next Saturday, February 20th against the Providence Bruins. Ames Janitorial Services rally towels for the first 8,000 fans as we just get back to live action here. Unreal. 10 seconds into the game. And the period, I should say, Bridgeport has just gone in front 3-2. Boyd right side to Bork. Behind the back feed, Scott Gomez has it there. Flipped it through Floric to Bork to Boyd when Tyree scores! Off the pipe and in, Thomas Boyd with a bullet for 4 and the man advantage in the game. And here's a steal by Paul Carey.
Puck off the Sound Tiger player.
Good poke by Walker, the puck loose. Sill gets behind Burrows. Sill comes in with a break-in, scores! Oh, baby! What a goal, but Sill! Comes down, a dumping attempt, face out for Verana. Bears have a 2-on-1. Gomez and Verana. Gomez, backhand pass across, cut off, poked at. They reach, they score! Your Big Mac, how about fries and a sausage McMuffin? All-day breakfast at McDonald's. Here comes a shorthanded chance for Kearns. He's chopped at and scores. And Bridgeport is back within 1 on a shorthanded breakaway. I don't believe this. There's blocked again, and that one hurts Stanton. Back through. Glove save. Peters on Quine. He rips him off blind. Gomez cross-checked down by Holmstrom. Barber for the near circle, knocked off balance. Gomez, backdoor, Verana scores! Takes a look and has Walker right in front of the penalty box, but it's stolen. Scott Mayfield comes flying down the right wing and fans on the shot as he ran out of room. Tries the bank shot, he scores. So strong at his feet, isn't he? Mitchell, the give and go to Walker, and a save by Milner. These are the mistakes he just can't make. Floric turns one toward the net, kicked out by Bowie and held by Peters as the puck deflects on goal. Meanwhile, Bridgeport has the 6th attacker on. Quine to the goal line again for Beck. Tip play. Peters touched it, and they score! Andrew Rowe knocks the puck out of midair. 1-0 for Bridgeport. Pollock and Beck play catch. Beck shot, kick save, Peters! A big one there. After it. He's going to have a chance shorthanded. Pollock puts a hook on him. A drop back. Mitchell fires. Save. Rebound. Milner the save on Sill. And he'll pick it up. He heads toward the same circle. Peters waits. And he's deked and scores. What a move by Rowe. In round 2, 1-0 Bridgeport. Top of the second round. Verana heads to the same circle. Head fakes. Dekes and can't tuck it home.
Here he comes. He's picking it up. Good speed.
Straight down center. To the right hash mark. Waits, shoots, save. Milner. And that's it. The Bridgeport South Tigers have won 7-6 in the shootout.